Authentise Flows is a software platform designed from the ground up for manufacturing operations. Encompassing every processing step from order intake until final shipping, this tool is made in close collaboration with industry leaders, making sure to address real-life roadblocks and deliver tangible quality-of-life features to manufacturing teams of every scale. Every order delivers instantaneous estimates and can be localized to make decentralized processing effortless. If order quotes are required, they are also automatically generated, editable, and available to download at any time. Automated communication maintains everyone up to speed as the order is confirmed for production or easily outsourced, all within the same interface. Connect with the widest selection of machines in the world, enabling data streams to and from your machines to power automated run scheduling, queue management, and stats updates. An uninterrupted digital stream from start to finish gives your team access to unparalleled reporting and traceability options found throughout the platform to ensure complete process transparency for QA purposes, KPI, analytics, and more. All of this and more, like software integrations and open APIs, as well as our mobile app, a modular structure and total workflow optimization make the Flows platform the new standard for efficiency in manufacturing operations. To further customize the processing workflow, users have access to the guidelines features to set if this then that rules for their processes. Learn all about Authentise Flows features and more in the Feature Spotlight playlist.